Hi, I'm Muhrizah, and in this video I'll be explaining about nitrogen cycle. "78% of the atmosphere is nitrogen, but it cannot be directly taken in by living things. It has to be transformed into a new molecule that happens with the help of bacteria. Nitrogen can move into the soil in a number of ways. As I said, bacteria is a crucial part of getting nitrogen into the soil. Some of these bacteria just live in nodules or fruits of plants called legumes. These are bean, peas, and clover. So the bacteria in the root nodules are able to take nitrogen out of the air and transform it into a form called nitrates. This process is called nitrogen fixation. There is another one way to get nitrogen into the soil. Lightning actually takes nitrogen gas and puts it into a form of nitrogen oxide that will go into the soil and form nitrates. Now, our nitrogen is in a form we can use called nitrates. These nitrates can be absorbed into plant life through the roots that move through the community by the food chain. So, in the plants, the nitrogen is in a form of protein, and those are going to be eaten, broken down, and reassembled in animals. Then, when any of these living things die or produce waste, this waste is going to decay, and the nitrogen that's in those waste is in a form of ammonium. However, it's hard for those plants to use this ammonium, so it gets broken down by bacteria through the process called nitrification. And it's taking the ammonium ion and nitrifying them, turning them into nitrates in the soil, which again, the plants can take up and it can move through here. But we need nitrogen back in the atmosphere, and we use another type of bacteria in another process to do that. So, nitrates in the soil can be taken by another species of bacteria and through a process called denitrification. The nitrates are turned into nitrogen gas again, leave the soil and move back into the atmosphere, and the large circle of nitrogen continues.